Now this is my account. You come over here and go to wallet, go to withdraw. You're going to see that I currently have 0.0 naira, and in the last time I've already made a withdrawal of 27,000 naira here, and another of 4,700. Right now, this is after the 5% withdrawal fee. Yeah, because minimum withdrawal is 5,000 naira, and I withdrew over 30,000 naira here, and I've received this payment. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to perform tax on OWODaily and earn extra income daily, and also how to earn the fire bonus of 1,600 naira for every member. Okay, so I'm recording this video for the questions that I've been getting, like for who and who, for Magdalene and the other 3 persons that wants to know how to perform a task on OWODaily. Now this is my account. I've logged in. I will just do one task and then I will show you. It's very easy. On this account, this is my account. You can see this is my name, and fortunately, okay, I actually have I'm doing this morning. This is me. I just have 55k here, and I think I should even withdraw this money self. So now, like I said, for Magdalene, like I told you, I said that this platform used to have jobs, yes, but I told you now, I did not, like I said, that the jobs are not much. You can just get like 100 naira, 200, 500, depending on how many jobs are there in a day. You understand? But if you refer, since the platform can never crash, because I'm sure these people will not crash, they are legit, you can refer people and earn 1,600 naira per referral, and it is just the price is now 3,000 naira. You understand? So you get 1,600 for everybody that signs up. Now let me do one job and show you. Now I'll do the easiest one. This person says these are jobs. Now it's very easy. It's very easy. This person say the job title is subscribe to my channel. He needed 514 people. Sorry, he needed 892 people. 514 have completed. So if I want to do that job now, I will just click on apply. Right? Allow it to load. Now the thing has loaded. It's very simple now. Now come and read the instructions. Read the instructions and submit proof of payment after completion. Job this is what I'm reading now. Now it will take you to YouTube, where you should subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to all, and make sure you do not unsubscribe in the future. That's all. This is the channel here. You understand? Now there are 2 things involved here. The person may either say you should click on start job, or just go on your own and search the channel. The person will always update the channel. Now this channel here, if you check very well, the name is there, Osakwe Nelson Uchenna. It's very easy now. Or you click on start the job. When you look at it, you go and search the thing. Or okay, let me click on start job now. It will see now. This is me doing it live. It's taking me to my YouTube. It's very easy. You understand what I'm saying now? Now it has brought me to that place. I told you now, Osakwe Nelson Uchenna. What you just have to do is just subscribe here. Bam. You know, that's all. Or you open the channel properly, because he says you should turn on the bell icon and turn on the notification bell icon like this. Now this is me. This is the channel now. Then for security reason, click on screenshot. You understand? So you can send the proof of payment to the person. I also pay people to do jobs on here for my other for other businesses. Yes, and if I ask for screenshot, the person will just click. But most times I use search, so I will not even send you the link. I will tell you to come and search on YouTube because of YouTube algorithm. So if the person says you should go and search, go to YouTube, search the channel. Now the person says submit correctly. Sorry, no, that's proof needed by employer is what you should read. This one here is what you should read. This proof now is OWODaily that's actually. This employer says submit your YouTube channel name you subscribe to, your full name, and the email that you use when signing up for the confirmation. That's all. So you don't have to send screenshots in this case. If the person says send screenshot, you just come here. If I want to upload screenshot now, look at it. Click on these 3 dot options here. Look at it. All right. Yeah, but the person says and when I click on it, this is image now. This is image. If I click on this image now, I will upload the image. If I click on this link now, I'll upload the link. But since the person say I should not submit, I should not submit, I should just put the YouTube channel name you subscribe to. That's his name. That's the name of the channel, which is Osakwe Nelson Uchenna. Read it carefully. What is there? Things not hard now. Osakwe. Is that like that? Is it like that? Let me look at it. Okay, it's Osakwe Nelson Uchenna. Osakwe Nelson Uchenna. Osakwe Nelson Uchenna, right? Yeah. As a matter of fact, I'm going to upload this video on YouTube. Yes, I will upload this video on YouTube. Yeah. So that you guys can, like, all of you can watch it and understand. So the person said, Osakwe, he said, sorry, the proof now. He said, an email address you use when signing up. Okay, so your full name and the email address you used when signing up for confirmation. We didn't sign up for anything here, but that's the name of the channel. So in my case, I'll put in my case, I'll put name. I write Side Income TV because that's the channel I used. That's the channel that I subscribed to. But I will still put my full name in case. But now you must understand this Side Income TV I'm putting here is because on that YouTube platform, on that YouTube I used to subscribe, they will notify him that you Side Income TV subscribe to your channel. Do you understand? Yes, because but you that is doing it, you may not have a channel. You may be using your normal Gmail address. So the Gmail that you use on the account to subscribe, don't put your email there. So what I will do is that I will just put what's happening here. I'll just put my name. Okay, email that subscribed is I'm putting everything now for you to know. bounce.tube@gmail.com. Yes. What again did they ask for? Is a name and email, blah blah blah. I'm not putting my name because I don't even care if it pays or not, but that's the concept. Okay, let me just put my name. Now my name, the name I put on that account, I don't know, but let me just put my normal name. So that's just it. So this is how to perform a task on OWODaily and submit your proof of task, right? So this is just it, and I'm not going to edit this video. I'm going to upload it like this. Yes, I'm going to upload it normally like this on YouTube, and I will tell you this is how to create this is how to publish your tax on OWODaily. So this is how to do it, and then once I do that, you click on submit proof. Submit proof of payment, and that's just it, and the person will review it and you will be credited. That's just it. So yeah, so that's basically how it works. There are other jobs here. Just open it, read the instruction, and know what to do. It's very easy. So for those that still want to sign up on this platform, to become a member on OWODaily is just 3,000 naira, and when you register with 3,000 naira, you have opportunity to do this tax and earn money daily. You can earn 200, 100 naira, 500, depending on how many jobs are available, right? So this is just how it is. As you can see here, I have what, 5k. Like this is I didn't even log into this account. This is 5,000 naira I have here. Now this money is not just from task, but this is also from referrals. Yeah, referral bonus, and I'm going to withdraw this money right now, but not in this video, but I will withdraw this money now, and you can see it. Maybe I should even add it to the video itself. I will withdraw this money and I will send a proof of payment once I'm paid, and I'll add it to this video. Yeah, maybe that's what I should do. So I will just hold on and upload it tomorrow because payment is on Friday. is on Fridays. Once you are on Friday, but you have to apply for withdrawal within the week. So there are other jobs here now. How to, subscribe to channel, YouTube job. Most of them 10 naira, 15 naira, 20 naira, and all of this. So it's very easy. So please let's watch the video. So if you want to be an affiliate on OWODaily, registration is just 3,000 naira, and you get to earn this money. That's just it. So I'll see you in the next video, and I'm going to add the payment proof. I'll wait once I'm paid. I'll add the payment proof, and it's going to be easy. Or better still, I'll add it to the next video, because I don't even want to edit the video, because this is raw. This is how it works. You understand? I will just post it in my next video, and that will be. So if you want to register, I'll leave the link in the description box below to sign up on OWODaily. Or you can also contact me, and I'll help you to sign up. It's very easy. I'll leave my WhatsApp number in the description box below. I'll see you in the next video.